Let's find the value of m. In this diagram, we have solution. We're going to use two different methods to solve, okay? Construction, join BD to form two triangles. So we have something like this. Okay, so we have something like this: A, B, C, and D. Remember, this length and this length, they are equal. All right. So this is our 120 degrees. Then here is 50 degrees. Here is 50 degrees. This is our M. Now we have two triangles in this way. A, B, B. And we have a smaller triangle in this way. Let's call it C here. And this is 120. Remember, here is M. Then here and here. All right. So let's call this length, this angle here, and this angle here as X and the Y. Okay, so over here we have X and we have here Y. Then here now will be 50 plus X. Then here now will be 50 plus Y. I hope you have observed what is happening. 50 plus X, 50 plus Y, 50, then X and Y. Okay, good. Remember we have this in this way. Good. So from triangle C, this is C, B, D. From triangle C, B, D, you have that 120 degrees plus X plus Y will give us 180 degrees. What is the reason? Our reason is sum of angles in a triangle. Good. So that we can have X plus Y will be 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So X plus Y is equals to 60 degrees. Please note this, okay? Note this. Considering triangle A, B, D, it is observed that M plus 50 plus X plus 50 plus Y is also 180 degrees. And the same reason, okay? Sum of angles in triangle A, B, D. All right, let's proceed. So we can have here M plus bracket, this is X here, plus this is Y here, then plus 50 plus 50 will give us 100. 100 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So that's M plus our X plus Y is what? What is the value of X plus Y? Remember here. Okay. So you have, let's put 60 degrees here plus 100 degrees is 180 degrees. We want to calculate M, remember. So we now have M degrees plus 160 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So that M will be 180 degrees minus 160 degrees. Therefore, M is equals to 20 degrees. Now, second method. we are going to use what we call arrowhead theorem. Okay, that is boomerang. All right, boomerang or arrowhead theorem. Now, from there, you notice that this 120 angle BCD is equal to M plus angle B plus angle D. Okay, where angle BCD is 120 degrees. Angle B, we are going to use 50 degrees. Angle D is also 50 degrees. So M, okay, M now will be this one. Okay, let's figure. So 120 degrees is equals to M plus 50 plus 50. Okay, good. So 120 degrees minus 100 degrees is equals to M. Therefore, M is still 20 degrees. So either you use this arrowhead theorem or you do some small construction to form two triangles. Okay? Alright, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like.